Welcome back. All right, our feast week continues today with an option for the health conscious.
Yeah, and you can still have a very tasty and delicious meal without the products that'll weigh you down.
Literally.
Literally.
Let's welcome back in Chef Gigi the Vegan. Good morning.
Good morning. I am so excited to be here with
Yeah.
both of you beautiful ladies.
Yes,
Yeah.
we love having you in. And are you ready to show us a thing or two?
I am. I made some deliciousness for the holiday. You know, we just got over Thanksgiving and that
Right.
was a huge feast, right? So this is simple, easy, and healthy for us.
Okay.
So what we have here, sweet potatoes, like a sweet potato mash, green beans, our meatless loaf, which
Okay.
is made of lentils.
Okay.
Of course, Living Foods, a side salad. We
I
have a
love
fruit salad there. Homemade cranberry sauce.
Okay.
And then look at these hibiscus,
Yes.
apple ginger
These are
juice.
so
Yeah,
pretty.
just a nice tea, right? Very
Okay.
festive, very delicious, and zero alcohol. And,
Oh,
and
take a sip.
and 0 calories.
Ooh, wow.
Absolutely. How yummy is that? That's easy to make and beautiful.
Wow.
You know, to entertain your family and friends.
Yeah.
So if we wanted to get started, how about you, Miss Honey?
Okay, I
So
will.
we're gonna start with the sweet potato. Now, I'm the type of person I like to leave the peel on. So I boil them and all of that because I think that, you know, we want to keep all the health, you know, the deliciousness, the enzymes, the nutrition inside.
Yeah.
I don't know this, but the peel is really
Exactly.
There's a
Do
lot of
not discard that.
nutrition.
A lot of nutrition. And I also bought a little bit of coconut cream, Tony,
Put on
that
top?
you can put on top there, ladies. There you go. And that makes it taste even more delicious, you know, without sugar,
Okay.
without a load of sugar going into your sweet potatoes. If made simple, just boil that. And then we have green beans with a little bit of onions there,
get in on
right?
the
Salt
meatless
on
loaf.
onions. Yeah, go right ahead. Go right ahead. There you go. And it stands up quite well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It made with lentils.
Love that.
Yeah, made with lentils, and it's very easy to make, and it's in my book. It's in my cookbook. The recipe is right there in the cookbook.
What about the sweet potatoes and the green?
They are also in there as
Okay.
well. Don't forget your cranberry sauce.
Sure.
Yeah, a little bit of cranberry sauce. And what I thought would be great, here's the salad here.
Love it.
Mm-hmm.
This is like a big old family meal.
Yeah,
know.
it is. It is a huge, it is like a lot for the holiday, right?
So if somebody's
It's simple, but easy to make.
So if someone's looking to maybe dip their toes into veganism, I'm not vegan, but I do try and keep vegetarian
Yes,
for the
yes,
most
yes,
part.
yes.
What kind of tips would you give them?
Well, I would just say, you know, you can create the foods that you like, very simple and easy, just swap out ingredients.
Sure.
Very easy to do. And if you need support and help, they can always contact me at GIGITheVegan.com. Yes, lots of information is on our website as well as the book. We'll make it simple for you.
Okay.
Absolutely. Just in time for the holidays. Very simple. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, for sure.
Well, happy holidays to you,
Thank
Gigi.
you.
so much.
Thank you. It's a pleasure being here.
Yes.
Absolutely.
All right, for more on Chef Gigi, visit GiGi'sVeganCafe.com. She'll be back with us in January, or otherwise known as Veganuary, with more healthy, delicious recipes each and every week.